Hey guys, it's Eddie from WTI, and today I want to share with you my case cover that protects my iPhone 13 Pro Max. As you can see, this case cover is absolutely beautiful. I love the nature scene in blue, and it's scratch resistant, which is perfect because if you rub it against any surface or lay it across a table, the image will not fade, it will not scratch, which is an added plus. I also love the way it feels in your hand. You can grab it really easily. It doesn't feel bulky at all, and it's not flimsy, so it feels great. But it also has quite a bit of protection. If you notice this area around the camera lens area, it's raised. And also on the edges, it's got a raised lip on all four corners. So if you put it on top of a table or a glass or anything, the screen on your phone will be protected. So it does a great job. Let me show you what it looks like when you put it on. So you're just gonna slide it in and pop it in. And there you go. Your case is protecting your phone and it looks amazing. Absolutely love it. I love the way it protects the camera. I love the way it feels in my hand, and I'm sure you will too. That's my point of view.